Supporting Spanish-speaking or other English learner students, AI Creator helps you build assignments in other languages instantly. There are two routes for creating this content. The first is, in AI Creator, under Create, you'll pick the activity type. In this case, we're going to do a notes section. Pick your programming language, and then this is key in that globe icon. Click and choose the language you wish the content to be generated in. We'll give it a prompt, and just wait a moment. And then as we can see, the output generated includes Spanish language notes, explanations, and even commented code. We can click Preview to see what it looks like for the student. We can make edits manually or through more prompts with the AI. And once we're happy with it, we can assign it. And in this case, I can even choose to assign by an individual student by picking just that student under my class and choosing the correct lesson for it to go under. Alternatively, from within assignments, we can choose the assignments available. Go to the options here and choose Remix, at which point we can select the Fork with AI. You can do options here like make it easier or harder, but you can also prompt in making versions in other languages. With this, I can actually prompt in a different language. And once completed, can preview, edit, and assign in just the same way. With AI Creator, you can quickly create content that's differentiated and inclusive, just like your classroom.